Artificial intelligence is officially here, and the impact it will have on our day-to-day work has yet to be fully discovered. However, in a recent study by Inc.com, they found that the use of AI has had an impact on the lives of workers. Well, in today's video, we're going to explore this article and ultimately share our perspective on this new technology and its future implications on the workplace. A new survey from the Institute for the Future of Work highlights that not all tech is having a positive impact on the well-being of staff. Over 6,000 people across the UK looked at 4 different categories of tech. These are digital IT, or communication systems like laptops and smartphones, wearable and remote sensing tech like fitness trackers, GPS devices, and CCTV cameras, software using artificial intelligence and machine learning, automated machinery, and robotics. The study found that newer and more advanced technologies were correlated with reduced well-being compared to older IT tech. Basic digital systems like computers have been around for decades, and even smartphones and tablets have been around for many years. They are familiar, comfortable pieces of technology that we have just been accustomed to. Heck, even I remember the day that my parents started to use a cell phone and the almost pure rejection of the technology until they fully felt comfortable with it. Upon reading this, one must consider the natural implications of utilizing new technology and the impact it will have. This reminds me about a quote that I thought is extremely powerful and connected to this whole thing and this whole wave of what's happening with technology. Creativity isn't finding something new. It is rearranging what you already know into a new mold. Part of the challenge of a new technology is that people must learn to utilize that technology within their existing world and experiences. Hence, I can see why the impact or the implications of having reduced well-being is becoming prevalent in the UK and also in the United States. 36% of Gen Z staff say they felt often or always felt guilty about using AI at work, worrying that they may become too reliant on the novel tech. I mean, if you want to create a scenario where AI is becoming part of the way that people work, then you need to start incorporating that into schools and into the training programs that are growing and developing people, which I think we are a ways away from. I mean, even now you can imagine that schools are developing programs to counteract the impact of ChatGPT and other software that are basically removing the work that's needed in order to develop essays and other writing pieces. Furthermore, there's a deeper concern about what's happening with robots or automated machinery as it poses a threat to workers' jobs in low-skill roles, which also continues to grow. The article referenced Figure 1, a new technology where companies like Nvidia and Jeff Bezos are spending millions of dollars to create humanoid robots, and the career and world landscape will change. Furthermore, the article found that employees really don't like systems that could be used for monitoring them during work, like GPS or fitness tracking. In the past, a study from Dalet pushed this idea in order to prevent injuries. Fast forward to today, the study found that companies that use tracking devices had higher turnover rates. I think part of the problem, though, when you look at this particular situation is that people don't necessarily like the idea of being monitored and tracked. So if you are using a fitness tracking or some other method of tracking performance, which may mean that employees will feel a sense of pressure in terms of producing a result or to meet a particular goal or quota. So what are your thoughts on this article? Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.